Carbon monoxide is known as the silent killer because it is an invisible, tasteless, and odorless gas that is formed from incomplete combustion, such as house fires, car exhaust fumes, and smoking. Oxygen is carried around the body by red blood cells, and when you inhale smoke from a cigarette, the CO is absorbed into your blood through the lungs. Because CO binds with hemoglobin 200 times more readily than oxygen, your body is starved from oxygen. This leads to many health complications and smoking-related diseases, such as a higher risk of stroke or heart attack, shortness of breath, and poor circulation. The Micro Smokerlyzer is the gold standard in the Smokerlyzer range of breath CO monitors, which are used to help people quit smoking. It works by non-invasively measuring carbon monoxide on a smoker's breath, and by measuring the levels of CO on a smoker's breath, smoking cessation advisors can also see how dependent a patient is on tobacco. The Smokerlyzer also uses a motivational traffic light system to encourage and help track a patient's quit attempt. The Micro Smokerlyzer has 3 options: maternity breath testing, normal breath testing, and ambient CO monitoring. To take a normal breath test with the Micro Smokerlyzer, first attach the D-piece to the monitor and then the SteriBreath to the Micro. Click on the normal breath test icon to begin. You will be asked to inhale and hold your breath for the preset 15-second countdown before slowly blowing into the Micro. The reading will rise and stabilize on screen, and you can choose to mute the monitor if necessary. When the test is finished, you can save the reading to a patient's profile or return to the home screen. Readings and results can be interpreted with the Smokerlyzer CO chart. The maternity breath test has been designed to help mums-to-be quit smoking. By measuring the CO levels on a pregnant patient's breath, the Micro Smokerlyzer can also calculate the amount of harmful CO affecting the baby. To take a maternity breath test with the Micro Smokerlyzer, first attach the D-piece to the monitor, and then the SteriBreath to the Micro. Click on the maternity breath test icon to begin. You will be asked to inhale and hold your breath for the preset 15-second countdown before slowly blowing into the Micro. The reading will rise and stabilize on screen, and you can choose to mute the monitor if necessary. Click on the baby icon to see the CO fetal calculation. Click the icon again to return to the results screen. When the test is finished, you can save the reading to the patient's profile or return to the home screen. Readings and results can be interpreted using the maternity Smokerlyzer CO chart. The Micro Smokerlyzer can store up to 10 patients on the device. To add a patient, first click on the register, then click on a blank slot which will take you to a new profile. Click on the blank slot again at the top of the screen and use the keypad to enter their name or patient ID. Once you've entered this, click the Save icon to register the changes. You will now be able to see a graph of the patient's saved results. To edit an existing patient, click on the register and then select the patient you wish to modify. To change their name, click on their name at the top of the screen and use the keypad to edit. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save to register them or the back arrow to cancel them. To delete a patient, simply click the X whilst on their patient profile and click X again to confirm. Click Home to return to the main screen. The Micro Smokerlyzer has the ability to measure ambient levels of CO, which might detect why a non-smoker is giving off a high reading. To begin immediately monitoring environmental CO levels, click the ambient monitoring icon. The Micro Smokerlyzer will immediately begin sampling the atmosphere, and if there is any atmospheric CO, the readings will rise on screen.